I'm a graduate, I'm a postgraduate. I was a working professional. I was heading multiple teams in a company. I was a gold medalist. I then got married and got busy with the family work, and I had to take the career break. I'm now confused and apprehensive if I can really start my career again. Will there be some good opportunities for me? Will it be beneficial for me? Will I be able to get the similar job? My juniors might be my bosses right now. I'm now confused. Should I try harder or should I give up? There are about 7 in 10 women who have taken a career break, either with choice or to attend to the family's requirement. Hi, I'm Halima. I'm the Vice President at Edumilestones. This Women's Day, we at Edumilestones are bringing an opportunity for all the highly deserving, qualified women to restart their career as career counselors. Restart, 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 restart. Want to know how? Join our free workshop on 8th March at 4 p.m. exclusively for women, and we'll let you know how you can restart your career with Edumilestones. More power to you.